These are the elevators at the Hyatt Regency Clearwater Beach Resort in Clearwater Beach, Florida. Elevator to beach and Hyatt Resort Hotel. I'm guessing, yeah, these are the parking elevators. So, yeah, it looks like you gotta get off on 2 to get to the hotel. Oh, and they're Gen2s. Gonna go down to 1R. We'll take a ride on these, and I'm gonna go up.
First floor, clear. Going up.
Go up. We're gonna go up to 7.
Second floor. Going down.
We'll kind of want to get a look out onto the beach. Very plain cabs.
Yeah.
First floor, clear.
Whoa. Oh, wow. Oh, they got these little bikes and scooters you can rent here. Look at that. Just looking. Wow. Nice. And there's the beach here. Gonna go
Going up.
2.
Going up. Second floor.
All right, we're getting off here. And there it goes. Fuel shut, there it goes, and that's gonna be it.